Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Grid RecyclerView, just like this. I have 3 rows here and the items are stored in this screen just like this in the card views beside each other. For this video I'm going to use the previous project. So if you haven't watched that videos and you don't know how to use the recycler view in the linear mode, please click on this link, watch the video about it, and then come back here to learn how to use the grid layout recycler view. Okay, let's do it. First of all, we have to do some changes in the layout because it doesn't make sense to have this kind of layout. This layout is good for the linear type recycler view. So I'm going to click on this, press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V, and I'm going to rename it to grid. Okay. Now I have the same layout here and I'm going to do changes in this layout. Okay, now the layout is ready, and if you want to copy the codes, I'm going to zoom a bit on the code and slowly scrolling down, and you can pause the video and type them. And also you can find the link of the source code of this application down below in the description in my GitHub. Okay, let's go to the recycler adapter, and here in the uncreate view holder we set the layout on the recycler view, but this layout item, and here I'm going to change it to grid. Sorry, it should be in a small letter. Okay, now let's go to the main activity. Here we have some lines of code. First we declared the recycler view, then here I have recycler view dot layout manager equals to linear layout manager. Instead of this I'm going to type grid layout manager, and by pressing Alt and Enter it will be imported. Here I have to add some items. First of all, the context. Then here I have to write that in a single row how many cards should be displayed. For example, I'm going to write here 2, and let's check it on the emulator, then I will explain the rest of them. Okay, it's just like this, 2 cards in single row, and till the end it will be like that. I can write here 3 and we will see the changes. Okay, it's like this. And the next item that we can add here is the orientation, which can be horizontal or vertical. So if we want a single row here and we want to scroll from left to right to see the items of the recycler view, we can here write RecyclerView dot horizontal, and the next item is a boolean, which we want to have a reverse layout or the normal layout. So I'm going to write false here. It will be the normal layout, and just like this. Let's see what do we have. Okay, we have now 3 rows as we declared here, and the type is horizontal. Till the end of the items it will look like this. I can write here 2 to see the changes. I have 2, and here 1, and now I have a single row. Just like this. If I change it to vertical, it will be like this. A single vertical column. Okay, and that is everything about this video, but let me show you this one as well, and I'm going to change it to true, and just like this. The first item is on top, pizza one, and now the first item is in the bottom, and by scrolling to the top I can achieve the last item, just like this. Okay, that was everything about the grid layout recycler view. If you are satisfied of this content and you want to financially support me, please click on the link down below in the description and buy me a coffee. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below and I will be so happy to answer to your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.